What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to focus on Aperture. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about Aperture. And roll the intro. I know a lot of people are asking me to do this type of video because people want to take pictures. And if you haven't checked out my Instagram, they want to know how I take my pictures and how to use a camera. So a lot of people don't know how to use a camera. People have bought a camera, so they just want to know how to use a camera. So this video is going to be a 3-part video. So what I'm going to do today for this video is we're going to go take pictures. I'm going to teach you how to use Aperture and how to really utilize it. I'm going to teach you how to really utilize Aperture and like really use it to help improve your pictures. One of the 3 most important parts to know how to take your pictures, because Aperture has to do with lighting. And if you don't know about bokeh, I'm about to show you what bokeh is. So hold up, let's go take some pictures and we'll be right back. Aperture is the opening and the closing of the lens. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. F-stop. Aperture is also known, can be described in f-stops. And the F at the beginning of the number means focal length. The lower the number, the bigger the lens opens. So f1.4, your lens will be open up really wide. And if you go higher to say like an f32, your lens will be closed, like really small. There's pros and cons to each one. So the pros of a low f-stop is you're going to get those bokeh backgrounds like you see in cinematic films. So if you like that kind of style, that's definitely great for portraits. You want to use an f1.4 lens so you can get that blurry backgrounds. f32, you're going to get more detail. So if you want to take pictures of like landscapes or anything, you want to get the details of the skies and the very far edges of the earth, you obviously want to use the f32 because you're going to get all the details in the picture. Now, the thing about that, if you use an f32, you always want to go on a really bright day because obviously you're going to use your lens is going to be more closed and less light's going to go in, and less light means darker the picture. So f1.4 you're going to get a lot more lighting, and f32 you're going to get a lot less lighting. Alright guys, so now you know what Aperture is. Here's some few examples that we use with an f-stop of 1.4, and then here's another example we use with an f-stop of 5.6. So this is what we use to take this picture. And we took a little creative style because, you know, obviously we don't want to just take, we're more creative. We like to be creative with our pictures, so we used the prop today. We used the mirror. And if you want to know how I took these pictures also, let me know down in the comments section below, and I might make a tutorial video on how I did that too. So the bokeh background, this is the picture we used. If you could tell in his picture in the background it's all blurry because it's an f1.4. And then on this picture right here we used an f-stop of 5.6. I try to get more detail in the background as I could because I wanted to get the water and the sunrise, or no, not the sunrise, the sunset. Yeah, the sunset. Yeah. So I wanted to get the sunset. So yeah, that's why I use that kind of f-stop. Thanks for watching. This is part 1 of the camera basics. Part 2 will be shutter speed, and that's gonna be really fun because there's a lot to know about shutter speed and a lot more creative pictures you can do with shutter speeds. Yeah, that's gonna be exciting. So yeah, I'll see you in part 2. Peace. I don't know, bye.